Namaskaram friends, I am your SSRK and today's our topic is difference between successful persons and failure persons. What is the main thing the successful personalities are doing daily and what is the main thing the failure personalities are missing daily. So here here is a simple mathematical formula, that is 1 into 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 1 is equal to 1. So here the 1 stands for the routine jobs, whatever we do in general in daily life. So 1 stands for our routine jobs. I have done something routine yesterday, that is 1, and I am doing something routine here today, that is 1, and tomorrow also routine jobs, that is 1, and day after tomorrow also. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 becomes only 1. At the end of the week I get only 1. The failure personalities generally do only this kind of routine jobs. They don't add anything to that 1, so that at the end of the week, end of the life, they becomes only 1. But the successful personalities are doing something like this. They are adding something like after all going to bed, they wake up and they do something. They get up and they do something. After all are watching movie, they do something towards their goal, so that at the end of the day they can add something like this. Their number is, it is not 1, that may be 1.1, and tomorrow that may be 1.2, and day after tomorrow that may be 1.3, and now just you multiply this 1.1 into 1.2 into 1.3 is equal to, at the end of the week, that may be more than 1. The number beside 1 shows your success. The number is beside that 1 is your success. So that is what the difference between failure personalities and successful personalities. They don't sit calm, they don't sit what we call idle. They do something, they add something. You just add something to your life. So after completion of your routine jobs, you just add something to your life. That may be walking towards your goal, studying only 2 pages of your what we call notes, something like this. Whatever may be that kind of job, but you make sure that you are doing something towards your goal. Then only you can reach your goal in a predetermined time. Otherwise you will become only 1. And here is a great quotation said by our one of my colleagues, that is, if you want to be number 1, you do more than 1. It is a very good this kind of sentence, that is, if you want to be number 1, you do more than 1. Then only you become something, because you are producing something daily. It comes after 1 point something, 1 point something, 1 point something, then it becomes 1 point something again. So whatever something that beside 1 is your success, my dear friends. And this kind of routine jobs can be done by anyone, everyone. But after routine jobs, only few can do something. That few will be the winners. I believe you are the winner. You are a winner. I'm damn sure you are the winner. So you think like this and you do produce something in a day, so that it will be added to your life towards your goal. And this is the technique today. And thank you so much. If you like this tip, if you like this video, you just refer my channel to the students and especially the youngsters. You subscribe my channel, SSRK Creations. Thank you so much. It is your SSRK. Thank you.